wanted to do something a little bit different today and show you like the different looks that just changing up your base bow or layering can actually do. So I've done some different styles of boutique shapes. So we've got the tailed boutique here. So that's just a standard figure 8 method tailed boutique. Just a standard boutique no tail here. This is an inverted boutique, so as you can see it's like the back of a boutique shape. Well, it's back of a wavy boutique. This is a wavy, so as I said, the inverted is basically just the back of a wavy boutique. And then we've got the overlay boutique look where you get like this circle bit. This is really good for like nesting, so it's like a really good one. Like, so if you make a slightly smaller size, they tend to fit perfectly into those pockets better than sort of standard boutiques. So again, just like I said, flipping a bow over can give you such a completely different look to what you're expecting. And then, like I said, we've got all the different base bows. So this is just a standard simple loop bow with no tail. They've got a tailed version here, and you can do the tail this side, or you can do it this way depending on how you place it. A tux bow with tails, and again you can do your tails long or short. A tails down bow. A chair bow type style. Actual tails, so these are just long standard tails that you can add. Double tux bow. A loopy chair, little butterfly bow, a nested tux bow, actual base spikes. I'm not the best of these, so you'll notice in a lot of my videos I choose base bows instead. And then I ran out of the colour of the matching ones, so this is a half pinwheel and a full pinwheel bow. So I thought, I've got corresponding 9mm that matches the actual bow colour. So I thought what we can do is I'll put some together and layer some, and you can see just the different looks that, like I said, add in layers together. So if you took the butterfly bow and this tux bow with tails, you could do it this way up or this way up. Do it a little bit tighter so you can see. And there you go, you've got a cute look to the bow with a bit of dimension that you wouldn't have without the layering. And again, you could swap it up for the tails down, like so. Again, you've got the look behind, you've got more of that. And again, you can mess around with the sizings as well. So I've done all these purposely in 1.5-inch ribbon and all in roughly the 5-inch templates, so that they're all similar sizes. But if you wanted to, you could make the this one in like 6 inches and this in 5. And again, it will give you a really interesting look. Even turning the butterfly tux bow the other way round, again, you've gone from having 2 bows to 4 to 5 different versions just with 2 styles that you've learnt. So that's the favourite thing about me that I enjoy about ribbon, the fact that you can literally take so many different styles. You could take all 3. So you've got double tails down, tux bow with tails, and your butterfly, and again combine them all together and you've got a completely new flowy style, and it applies to all of your styles. Like, you can put your wavy bow on a pinwheel, your inverted on a pinwheel. You can swap out your bases, so you could do your, let me just take the clips off so I can wrap it. So you can put that on your simple loop with a tail and you get one look. Then you could put it on a standard simple loop, you've got another completely different look. You could even play with the stuff that you put inside the bows. So like I said, if you had a tux bow or a nice size double tux or a pica bow or anything like that, you can play around and, like I said, put all different things in so many different ways. And like I said, there is so many different ways that you can combine these bows, and like I said, add so many different like options and styles and things like that. Even adding tails to like certain bows, like it just gives you such a different just doing that to, like I said, more flared double tux bow, completely different. Adding your spike to any of these bows compared to a base bow, completely different again. Each one looks completely different depending on what you add in or out to each style. And like I say, it's so much fun to like play around and layer different styles, maybe even not in style, even styles that you would contemplate putting together. Hold on. So you could play around, and there you go, you got a tux bow with a with an inverted bow with a loopy chair bow in the middle. And if you did all different colours and like all different bits and pieces and stuff like that, look how cute that would actually turn out to be. So like I said, you can literally play around and play around, and like I said, adding in that base layer, putting something new in your boutique shapes in that nice empty space, it gives you so many options to play around with. I'm going to add all of the ones that I would class as base bows that you can use to swap in and out on the back. I'll put a whole playlist, and I'll do a playlist of the different types of boutiques as well, because I've got all different versions on the channel as well. So I'll put a separate playlist so you can do that, because like I said, even swapping, like I said, a standard boutique for a waved boutique or an overlaid boutique, again, it makes such a difference to the shapes that you have to play with and opens up so many different styles for you. So thanks for watching, bye.